So here's what I've got from my YouTube merch store. Got a pair of scissors to open it up. I'm going to block all this out so you can't see what it is, but let's crack it open. So I've been waiting for this for like a day. So let's get this off to start with. I don't want that. So we go. Oh, this looks nice. Oh, what's this? I wonder if this is the sticker. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. Got AKA Marley sticker. It's quite big. So you can get one of these. I'm going to put it back in there. Got a cap. Snapback cap. That looks really cool too. Really nice print on that. And lastly, oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Now that is cool. Wow, it's pretty big. But there you go. Nice hoodie. Really pleased with that. Let's try them on. Oh, feels nice. Does feel nice. It feels like the other hoodie, actually. Oh yeah, this fits great. Smells nice and new as well. My cat is like under the bed. Right, let's try this. It's my first ever snapback cap, this. Yeah. Here we go. Oh, my hair's gone a bit crazy. Let's fix that. There we go. I'm really pleased with that. Looks really cool. If you want to get yours, then all you have to do is follow the link below.